is here, and we're ready to go riding. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side. They say the best trips are the ones you don't plan too much. Just grab your bike, call your friends and hit the road. That's exactly what we did. We ditched the main roads and took the back routes, avoiding traffic and soaking in the fresh morning air. We did a stop for breakfast, but well, forgot to film it. So just picture a classic roadside joint, steaming hot food, and some much needed coffee to fuel the ride.
Right?
Will figure. Radio check?
It's a long way.
Yeah, loud and clear. Yeah, around sir. No ride is complete without a little hiccup. The rear tire guard started acting up, but luck was on our side. We found a local mechanic nearby who had just the right amount of tools needed to fix our little problem. So Goose, how do you like the spirit of adventure?
Good. Part of it.
Well, Vaibhav actually came to our rescue and got the little fender put back in place, and we were rolling back again. We passed through a few villages, navigating a bit of traffic here and there, but slowing down gave us time to take in the simplicity of these places. Here is where life moves at its own pace.
Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Goose's ass exposed. And Goose was a number plate. This with Goose, okay? Baton Road. Lovely boys, give us really good service. My bags are flapping like flappy birds, but fuck it. Camera still on?
Yeah.
So got it? Okay.
Then came the best part. We left the highway and took the winding roads down to the coast. Green trees, ocean breeze, and the roads that curved just right. It was the kind of ride you dream about.
feel myself saying fucking enduro bikes around, you don't have fun over here. Be careful, that is silent.
Finally, we made it to our stay. But first things first, we took the drone out and man, the views were something else. Hills on one side, river in the middle, and sea on the other, with us right in between. After a quick siesta, it was time to hit the beach. Nothing like a swim to wash off the day's ride, and as the sun dipped below the horizon, we sat back with coffee in our hand, watching the sky turn from orange to deep blue. With no moon in sight, the night sky put on quite a show. We set up the GoPros and the start rails were captured. Just unreal and a perfect way to end a perfect ride day. The whole purpose of this ride was to relax, refresh and reset. And that's exactly what we did. It wasn't about having the latest gear or an extravagant budget. It was about the right company, the right mindset, and the willingness to embrace the adventure no matter the challenges along the way.
So yeah, it's always a good day to ride hard.
And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you for coming along this ride, and I hope to see you on the next adventure. Until then, ride safe.